Okay. I just extracted that code from yesterday into its own method. I'm trying to think what else I need to do. I need to add, I need to set up the dictionary. I have each weapon. All right. So, you probably could actually just do it here. Yeah, actually, I think we can just do it inside of equip weapon. Today I don't have my mouse because my dog broke it. I'm not too mad at him. Just knocked it off the desk, and now the left button doesn't work, so I have to go replace it. All right, so that's working. I'll have to. I don't know how to overlay the chat so that I can just see it on my screen. That would be nice, but I'll just keep coming back to it. Okay. Oh crap! And what is the name of this stream? It's probably something stupid, isn't it? No, dude. No, 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 no. I hate how Twitch messes that up, man. Yeah, okay. Update, please. Okay. Like, how do you undock this chat here? Like, that I don't know how to do. Export widget. Alright, we'll just have to keep checking this stream for new messages. I don't know. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Update. Okay. So it's updated. Oh boy. Give me a moment, please. Yeah, I don't know. I have to turn the TV down. 1 second. Okay. Anyhow, let's just keep going. It should happen here. None. Prepare weapon visuals. Yeah, it should happen here in the equip item. Update slot UI, and then we'll also update prepare weapon visual. Alright, great. And I like that. We're gonna just take that. We'll put it right. Well, this is already taking in the item, right? So yeah, I'll just do it back in here. Okay, so now in weapon visuals, no, this one. If item dot if item dot key dot, what do we call it? Weapon visual name. Yeah, weapon visual name. If this equals if item dot key dot equals, oh, okay, it would be item dot name, wouldn't it? No, item, you ass. Item dot trans. Okay, if item dot value dot to string, maybe. Okay, so if the weapon visual name equals, the value is the game object, right? Let me look at that. Yeah, it's a game object. And I can't access it through here. Dot. Oh shoot! No. Key value pair. String. Man, I forgot how to set up a dictionary in C#. Let me look at that real quick. Like in Python, it's just whatever your dictionary is, and then the item's name is the key, or the string is the key normally, and then your values are in there. not watching videos, dude. Go away. Yeah, okay. This is how you would do it in Python. So I wonder if that'll work. Okay. Name. Item? No, 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 no. Item dot value? Dot value? I wonder if that works. Okay, this, My cat wants to go outside. Sorry, give me a second. Ooh. What the heck? Why is this here? Here, you can change it if you want, but I gotta keep the volume low. You can change it if you want the TV, but I gotta keep the volume low. I'm pretty sure that's how we're gonna set this up. No, we're not gonna. Actually, we'll put this back in the start. What we need to do, though, is now use this dictionary. Prepare with the visuals. Okay. Now, when we equip an item, let's do this. Let's debug.log. Let's just see if what happens when we log it. What? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, they'll probably knock it out of the park. Move over, DC. Image comment. Well, Amazon is now the other guy. Totally fine with that. Like DC Comics has been, or DC Studios or whatever, they've been dropping the ball. All right. Um, let's see what happens. I'm just gonna try to log it here, see if we get anything. What the fuck? Okay. Did it log? It did not. Dang it. Why didn't it log? Hmm. 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 That's not great. That's not great at all. Huh. It's weird. Very strange. I forgot where that's saved. Hmm. Um. Hmm. For some reason, my data was gone. Well, what we can do is load some stuff. Let's say we got a sword and the healing flask. Right, that'll be my loaded equipment, and that should work. Normally this list would just populate itself from the save file, but for some reason it's not working. Yeah, see now I have a weapon in my inventory. I wonder why that happened. Now if I, oh see, and it tried to log the dictionary. It tried to. Dot keys? What can you log, man? Keys. Yeah, just log the keys. Do that for me, please. Um, I'm a little confused. What's happening? It's like my data is getting erased. Could it really be because of that one method I created? Gonna have to restart this browser. I think it's taking up a lot of data.
This is my hack for working smart. Money.com. Let me show you how I use Money.com to create a tailor-made workflow. First, the most comfortable way for me to look at a board is as a table. What's most important to me is to see all of the team's projects, so I add them to the board.
No one cares, dude. Okay, that's my little hack for that, so now I need to wipe this out. Man, that Concord game looks not that great. Looks like every other shooter, but minus all the good stuff. Like all these characters look boring. Okay. Did it save it? It did. Okay, great. That's my little hack if the data gets erased. Now it should have logged. 2 plus key collection. String game object. Okay. All right. Let's just give it a shot. All right. That's nothing. That's some editor nonsense. All right. What I need to do now. Let's add those two things back in. I need to restart the editor. It's freaking out. Yeah, just save. Dude, that Concord game is a AAA game. I heard it was government funded too. Like, what the fuck, man? Why is the government? Why does the government have their hand in something like this? That's crazy. If the government had money, if it was gonna spend like 1 point something million dollars on a game project, they should have made something profitable. What the heck? That's craziness to me. Keys dot. Let's see. Let's see if we get anything with that. I'm just trying to see. I'm trying to log out, make sure that I've got those things in the dictionary. I'm gonna wait while this loads up. I'm gonna grab something to eat real quick. she is
Here's how I run
super
a
fine.
multi-six-figure social media management business as a team of one.
That's my dream girl.
Without wasting my precious time chasing invoices.
I could have got a better look. Okay. Anyways. Alright. Yeah, so what else can I grab besides 2-string then? Let's try that. It's probably just gonna log like the name of. I'm really not even sure. I'm not even sure. This is the first time in a long time that I come back to this project to try to look at it seriously, think about finishing it. I've had to deal with like a physical issue. It has to deal with my legs, and this is my life now. Yeah, so I just want to log the names of those items. I want to make sure that they're in the dictionary. But first, I need to set up the inventory again. So we need one here. This is going to be the fire sword. Yeah. And we have the regular sword and the healing flask. Okay. So I'm going to load this. The healing flask does work, by the way, but I think I commented it out for now, just to finish testing. It doesn't play an animation or anything, though. It just works. Just get your health back. Okay. That's only because we already had that saved. Okay. Yep. Fire sword, regular sword, fire sword. Well, in our inventory we got that, and in our equipment, we should see the 2 items. Yep. Great. Let me just restart it just to be sure. I like to make sure my save games work. Sometimes some actions will rewrite or just wipe out the file. I can't explain it. I think it has something to do with like anti-cheat. I don't know if I have that set up in here. One more time. Okay, everything works. All right. Now, and that's the best you'll get. Now, at least we know that there's 2 keys in there. I just can't read them just yet. I have to cycle through each item in that dictionary. And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. First, we're going to move that to the very bottom here. We will actually do that after we update the UI. We will go ahead. We can copy this. So we take in an item right here. Okay, this method. What we're going to do is for each, let's say equipment in the weapon visual dictionary. If let's say if item dot weapon. Oh no. Right? Yeah, item. Oh, it's new item. Yeah, so here I'm gonna unequip something. Okay. New item. New item. New item. Equipment.add new item. Okay, let's say if new item dot weapon, oh boy, dot data dot weapon, really? Huh. Okay, it must be new equipment then. If new equipment dot, yeah, there it is, weapon visual name equals equipment dot value dot name Why is there an extra space here? What does that mean? So for each piece of equipment in our weapon visuals, what the heck is this, dude? Is that the name? Is that the name I gave it? Oh my goodness. Let's rename that. Anyways, then we're gonna say we'll just say equipment dot set active. Okay, dot value dot set active. Yeah, set active true. There you go. But before all of that, we have to say for each these are game objects, right? No, for each, right? Weapon visuals. Okay. Okay, for each game object weapon in weapon visuals, first we're going to turn everything off. Weapon dot set active false. Yeah, okay. So here's what happens. Okay, first we're going to turn off all game objects in that list. Okay, then we're gonna search the dictionary for game object by name, and if match activate. Okay. And I'll extract this into its own method. What are we gonna call it? Switch visual. How about let's just call it switch weapon visual. Okay. I don't know. We'll see. Because he's gonna equip this item at the beginning, right? He's gonna go and equip whatever's in loaded equipment. He will equip those items. An equip item, it does all that. We take in item data, okay, and then from that we create, we cast item data equipment. That's an object type that I created to represent like weapons and armor and stuff. We also need an inventory item. So that's another object that just represents data in the inventory. Item data, old equipment equals null. Anyways, let's go ahead and see if this works. Oh, I had it running the whole time? Damn. Irresponsible. Come on, turn off. Why did it start paused? What? Uh, I think it rewiped the file again. I think it's when every time I make a change to the code. What is happening? Come on, man. Let's go, dude. Let me restart my browser. My computer likes to slow down when this is playing for too long. Alright, I'm actually going to close this for now. Okay. It didn't work. Or did it? No, it didn't work. Yeah, because here if I switch to this, right? Oh, well, it sort of worked. It did turn off all the weapons, but it didn't load my weapon. Hmm. I figured because it's gonna load this, so why didn't it? Hmm. Yeah, this is the challenging part, just figuring out when to set up the dictionary. Um, hmm. Maybe, maybe we can do all of this at once. It's not that much. It's not, shouldn't be that intense on the CPU. Let me see how this, let's see what happens if we do it this way. What I expect to see is all nothing in his hand if this works the way I think it should. Come on, man. Please. Does Streamlabs have like music you can add? I wonder if they do. Never mind. Mm, I don't know. Music is very intense when I try to run it all at the same time. All right. Okay, so what I expect to see is nothing in his hands. Everything I do takes. What is this? Look at this. 30 seconds, man. Crazy. It still hasn't completed. Okay, yep. Okay, great. Yep, there's nothing in his hand, meaning called, it's just not loading properly. Okay. Alright, at least we got it to respond. So, please, man. The streaming, I think it's the streaming. Just putting a lot of stress on the CPU. Um, equipment.value.name. Here's what I want to do. I want to log this out real quick. Debug.log. What the hell, dude? Debug.log. And give me that. So I'm basically doing 4 loops all in one frame just to make the weapon switch. And this is really not that effective because it's only looking at what's in my right hand. Like if I have a shield or something, I'll need to have a whole new list and dictionary for what's in the left hand, or a projectile. But I'm not gonna be too worried about it. I mean, I mean, it's just, I mean, this is me. It's a solo build game. I'm not gonna try to build power stancing. You can make builds with what I've got set up, it won't be as in depth as Elden Ring. I mean, hey, and I'm not planning to charge $60 for this game. Um, okay, so let's just log. Let's log what's happening. I should see the name of the game objects that are in the right hand. That's what I'm trying to look at right now. Bro, gross. Man, I would never eat barbecue made in some stranger's freaking dirty grill, man. Sorry, I'm watching some stuff here. Like the state of things in the world. Bro. Okay, interesting. Why is it not logging? Okay. It might not even be entering here. If hmm, okay. whole minute just to start. God, ridiculous. Yeah, look at that. It's not even. That code's not even being run. That code is not even being run. Come on, man. Why is that code not being run? This is being run. It's not logging in. Dot. Outrageous. Outrageous. A whole minute. Yeah, I need to get a better machine. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous, dude. What the heck, man? I might switch to a different streaming tool. This is ridiculous. I said hit. Maybe I can change some settings. can't mess with this until I turn off the stream, so we're kind of stuck. Sorry. Still trying to play. Yeah, okay. So it really doesn't even hit that code. Strange. Yeah. See, everything logs except this. I wonder why. Dot count. Okay. The dictionary is probably not even being set up. That's probably what it is. Oh, what? Why are you paused? Oh? The editor is screwing up again. Well, anyways, let's try to run it. I might have to restart again. I'm so sorry about this. It's just this. I need to make some adjustments to my settings. Yeah, and there you have it. There's nothing in the dictionary. That's why it says 0. So I didn't set up the dictionary properly. Okay. All right. Okay. 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 So we got that far. Um, okay. Let's go back in here because this is where I set up the dictionary. Please, for the love of God. Okay. I know. I didn't set up the key. That's what it is. There's a much better way to do it like that. Okay. Thank you, AI. I just didn't do that properly. All right. Hopefully that did it. Yeah, okay. So all you got to do is just dot add for a dictionary in C#. Okay. Oh, man, I really need that music back. Sorry. It's going to slow things way down, but oh, whatever. We'll bite it. Damn. How is it still 0? Oh, boy. You can't really, like, view a dictionary, so... What? Wait. Why are there 4 items in the player's hand? Ugh. Weird shit happens when you're making these games. I'll just tell you what. Um, and the skeleton is killing me. Maybe I shouldn't let him kill me, because it might. Hmm. He also wasn't doing any damage. That's not good. I can figure that out. Um, it says I've got copies in my hand. Let me make sure about that. Well, I definitely don't. Huh. What the fuck? Now that I know this is working, though, let's put this at the top. Let's put this back in the start method. Okay. I'm not setting up the dictionary properly. Yeah, okay. Start items. Equipment type. Maybe I just. Nope, nope. There are no weapons in the dictionary, though. That's the problem. And we're going to do weapon.gameObject.name. That's the key. And then weapon.gameObject is the item. Let's try that. We're not going to do it this way. We're going to get rid of this. We'll handle both those things in one loop. Let's see if that fixes it. Just gotta wait like 5 minutes for my PC to decide to run.
Students with ADHD save 10 hours studying with this Chrome extension. But no, by
Okay, got the music back. Just gotta wait for this. Dude, Little Nightmares 3 looks so good. Little Nightmares 3 looks really good. So you can't get on Twitter in Brazil now? Alright, man. Come on. Come on, man. Dude, that's funny. Rigmarole guy is so funny. Alright. Okay. Well, I wonder why my health isn't updating. I wonder why that is. That's not great. Where's the player? Stats. My current health is 7, so I am taking damage. I'm just not displaying it. That's weird. So something's buggy with the UI at the moment. I probably just didn't connect it. It's fine. But as you can see here, I'm now logging regular sword, fire sword. So now I am logging these objects. Come on, dude. Yeah. Yeah, see. Now I'm logging the key. Good. Nope, you're gonna do key, my friend. We're gonna do key. Okay, so now we're just gonna say if the item that's being equipped, if the weapon visual name equals the key that we just iterated over, then we'll turn it on. Value set active. Oh god. I don't know. We'll see. That's interesting. And great. It crashed. How awesome. That's why you save. You save every chance you get. Luckily for us, all of the changes were in the code. The code is fine. He tried to squish her. Oh, that's badass. She couldn't see her reflection. So, man. Hmm. Okay. That didn't work. Let us log this. No, keep that. Actually.
Get ready to sing out loud once again. Sing Out Loud Festival presents Noah Kahn, Eric Church, Nora Jones,
Normal brain, brain FM brain. Normal brain, brain FM brain. Normal focus music.
When I work without streaming, it's not this slow. Yep. Yeah. I told you, like, just doing this one portion will take me a second to get it working. Only because of just, like, as you can see how long it takes to get the editor to make a change. This only happens when I'm streaming. Okay. Oof. Man, okay. And that's why. That didn't work either. That's okay. So this is actually only happening equipment type. Equals what equipment type? Dot weapon. What's happening is I was going through all of my equipment. I need to discern between a weapon and armor and just equipment. Like it was looking at the healing flask and thinking it was in that list. I'm watching that Marvel's Avengers Assemble show on Disney Plus just to pass the time while I'm working. It's really good. I don't understand why this show gets hate. Marvel Animation has been killing it. Now I should not be seeing any healing flask down here. I should only see a type of weapon. Come on, dude. Yeah. Okay. Well. And what was that? Regular sword. Okay. 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 Yeah. So, what the fuck? The item name is regular sword. It doesn't have a. Okay. And then fire sword. Okay, great. Okay. Okay, now if equipment.key .key dot. I know this is a value, but um, here, you can change it if you want. Yeah, after this stream, I'm gonna do some optimizing. This is ridiculous. What is happening down here? Come on, dude. What's happening down here? What are you doing? Yeah, do not auto-generate. Thank you. Maybe that's part of it. I don't know why I was doing that. This is outrageous. Oh! Did it work now? Look at that! The sword loaded. So what if I switch it? We did it, you guys. We did it. We did it. And there you go. We now have weapon switching working. And from the start. How about that? And right on time, too. At 2 hours into the stream. Sorry. Again, my computer's really slow when I do this. Very cool. Very cool. Alright, so we gotta successfully code that switches the weapons. And we're using the dictionary to pull the right one. We did it! So let's get rid of all these logging statements. We don't need them now. Yeah. Great job, guys. And that's it. Yeah, so if it's a weapon type, then we'll switch the visual. Else, what's going to happen is, you know, different equipment types are going to require different visuals, right? We're going to have to set up... I'll probably have to come up with a better system of setting up the dictionary, because the way it stands now, I'm going to need a dictionary for the armor, for the weapon, and if I decide to have something else, like a shield or a projectile weapon, something in the left hand. But the way I have it set up now, you're going to need a dictionary and a list for each equipment type. Not very cost intensive, if you ask me, but there's probably better ways of handling it. But for right now, this is what I'm going to go with. I don't see a problem with doing it this way. Alright, I'm going to save the fire sword. I'm going to turn this off. Now when I start the game again, I should have the fire sword in my hand. And then we succeeded. Okay? So, roll more test. In like 2 minutes from now. Okay. And there you go. See? He's got the fire sword in his hand. So we succeeded. And it should be saved. Yep. And it's all saved in the inventory. That is how we switch weapons. Switch it back to this one. Great. Yep. And the unequipped weapon is just added back to the inventory. Inventory small. Oh, this is what it requires. This is the stash right here. So I built a crafting system. you'll need these items to create. Huh? Yeah, so this didn't need anything. I should now have a fire helmet, and I do. There you go. Yeah. So now my armor is 10. If I unequip it, my armor is 0. Great. Awesome. We did it, you guys. We did it. Great job. That's good. And I'm sorry. This game's only going to be like, I only plan to sell it for like maybe $10, so I'm not going to have like arm pieces and leg pieces. I'm just going to have different armor sets. You find an armor set you like, you wear it. I'll make some epic looking ones, you know. If I can get further in, if I can raise some money for this, then we can talk about deeper customization, which I plan to do. I'm going to try to run a Kickstarter campaign eventually, so I could use y'all's help. All right, y'all, I'm done for now. So, what is happening? Is it frozen? All right, I'm gonna save this for now. Let's just save this. And let's go ahead and take care of this. You always want to commit your code, okay? It doesn't matter, even if your code doesn't work at the end of your work session. Well, I guess that, you know, it all depends. But if your work is not incomplete, you should not, even if it doesn't work, no matter what, you should commit your code, okay? And because you just need to prove, you can prove that you were working on it, and yeah, we're not gonna do none of this. We're not gonna do none of that. Anyways, okay, so here are the things that we changed. Your battle state, inventory. This will show us our changes. There's the dictionary and everything that we created. Okay, so my commit message, implement. First pass. You got it. Commit. And then you just go git push. I prefer to use the terminal, but I mean, you know, it handles it just fine. Sorry, let me check on something. Okay, guys. I'm really sorry. I don't know why. Test. Okay, can you guys hear me? Okay, so you can hear me. Um, can you see this? What is going on here? What is happening, dude? I'm using Streamlabs and I kind of hate it.